it'll have the shorter range battery, so like 200 miles around there. This one you can get fully charged. This is like 310 miles.
Oh, okay.
It's not going to be as quick. It'll be a little bit slower just because, again, the smaller battery, right? The charger's going to be a little bit slow and all that. So you do get road noise for sure. So it's driving right now.
So this is both steering and cruise control, right?
Right.
So it's
Exactly. So you can just turn off the auto steer and it'll just default back to cruise control. Let's see what it does here with this bus, see if it freaks out. So I was kind of going towards it. A little too close there.
Yeah, swerved around like last second.
Yeah. Again, highway does a lot better. I found
Less obstructions.
the best thing you do is just get in the middle lane of the highway and just hit autopilot. Even California with like crazy people driving and stuff, it's just, you know, you don't really feel as much in a rush as but it does. Autopilot's so a little finicky, like when lanes merge, or they add a lane, right? It just wants to bounce to the center of that right away. It feels not very natural.
Oh, okay.
They've said numerous times though that even this week they're supposed to be pushing out a new update, which is another. I find a big plus. Yeah, I'm a software guy, so it's cool to get all these new features and whatnot.
I know they're doing something because Cadillac, when they announced their Cadillac,